Hello guys, welcome to Nika Times Graphics. If you want to learn how to blur your video background, then this video will show you how to do that step by step. So open your CapCut and tap on new project. So when you tap on new project, import your video. So tap on the video you want to import, then tap on add. So when you bring your video like this, so this is a video we want to blur the background. Yes, so this is the video. So what you do is that tap on effect, tap on effects. When you tap on effect, tap on video effects. So tap on video effects. So when you tap on video effect, scroll down, you see blur. So tap on blur. So this is how the video has blur. So when you tap on the blur, tap on OK. So you have to drag it so that it will cover the whole video. Drag it to cover the whole video. Drag it to cover the whole video. Yes. So when you blur the video like this, what you do next is tap on overlay. Just tap on overlay. You see overlay here. Tap on overlay. So when you tap on overlay, tap on add overlay. So when you tap on add overlay, so what you do is to import the video. So import the same video you have imported. So tap on it and press add. So when you tap on it like this, so what you do next is to remove the video background. So you have to scale it to cover the whole. Tap on the video, tap on the new video, the one you have, the overlay video, then scale it. Scale it to fit to screen. Yes. So when you scale it to fit to screen like this, what you do next is to remove the background. So to remove the background, tap on cut out. You see this one, tap cut out. So tap on cut out. So when you tap on cut out, you see remove background. So tap on remove background. So the background has been removed. So you tap OK. So this is how to remove to blur your video background. So you see how it is now. So that is how you do that. Very simple. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and turn the notification button so that when I add new video, when I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to grab it. Thank you for watching.